Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best composters on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium electric composter, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the East Oak Compost Tumbler Outdoor, a fantastic budget option at just $58.99. This dual-chamber composter offers a spacious 43-gallon capacity, making it ideal for small to medium-sized gardens. Its dual-chamber design allows you to compost efficiently, alternating between chambers, so you always have fresh material on one side while the other cures. The aeration system is well thought out, with multiple holes and deep fins to ensure proper airflow and promote faster decomposition. The construction is sturdy, featuring BPA-free polypropylene and powder-coated steel for durability. The sliding doors are easy to use and lock securely to keep pests out. Its tumbling design eliminates the need for manual mixing, and the black finish helps it absorb sunlight, speeding up the composting process to around 4 to 6 weeks. However, assembly can be a bit tricky despite the included manual and video guide. Overall, this composter is perfect for beginners or budget-conscious gardeners. While it lacks some of the advanced features found in premium models, it delivers excellent performance for its price. If you're looking for an affordable way to kickstart your composting journey, this is a great place to start. At number 4, we have another East Oak product, the dual-chamber outdoor compost tumbler. Priced slightly higher at $67.38. This model offers two 18.5-gallon chambers for efficient composting, making it a good choice for smaller gardens or urban spaces. Its dual chambers allow you to alternate fresh scraps and cured compost, ensuring a continuous supply of nutrient-rich fertilizer. The standout feature here is its aeration system, which includes deep fins and aeration holes to promote airflow and prevent clumps. The build quality is commendable, with corrosion-resistant powder-coated steel and BPA-free plastic ensuring durability. The locking system is particularly useful, allowing you to fix the bin's angle and preventing animals from tampering with your compost. Like its sibling, this model uses a tumbling design for easy mixing and is designed to speed up composting within 4 to 6 weeks. However, its smaller capacity means it might not be the best option for larger gardens. This composter strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, making it ideal for urban gardeners who want a compact, efficient solution. The slightly higher price, compared to the 43-gallon model, brings additional sturdiness and ease of use, but it's best suited for those with limited space. Coming in at number 3 is the FCMP Outdoor IM4000 Dual Chamber Tumbling Composter. At $74.39, this Canadian-made composter is crafted from 100% post-consumer recycled plastic, showcasing a commitment to sustainability. Its 37-gallon dual-chamber design is perfect for efficient composting, allowing you to process fresh scraps on one side while curing compost on the other. The tumbling design is ergonomic and easy to use, requiring just 5 to 6 quick turns every few days to keep your compost aerated. One of its highlights is its aeration system, which features strategically placed holes and deep fins to mix oxygen into the compost, speeding up decomposition to as little as 2 weeks under optimal conditions. The build quality is impressive, with UV-inhibited, BPA-free polypropylene ensuring durability even under direct sunlight. The galvanized steel frame adds stability and corrosion resistance. While it's slightly heavier than other models, the FCMP Outdoor IM4000 is incredibly user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Its durable construction and efficient design make it a great choice for those seeking a reliable outdoor composter. However, it may not be ideal for those with limited space due to its larger form factor. At number 2, we have the Miracle Grow Large Dual Chamber Compost Tumbler. Priced at $119.90, this heavy-duty composter offers a high-volume capacity of 2 times 27.7 gallons, making it perfect for serious gardeners who need an abundant supply of compost. The dual chambers allow for continuous composting, add fresh scraps to one side while curing compost on the other. Its efficient tumbling design speeds up decomposition, producing rich compost in as little as 4 to 6 weeks. Miracle Grow is known for its quality, and this bin lives up to the name with sturdy side-locking mechanisms, a galvanized steel base, and UV-protected plastic that resists toxins and maintains durability year-round. The sliding doors are easy to use, making loading and unloading hassle-free. However, at 22 pounds, it's lighter than expected, which may affect stability during rotation. This composter is ideal for gardeners with larger spaces or those who want a consistent supply of compost for vibrant plants and flourishing gardens. While it's pricier compared to other models, its high capacity and dependable build make it a worthy investment. On the downside, some users report that assembly can be time-consuming, so patience is key. Finally, at number 1, we have the premium electric composter for kitchen by Wakane, priced at $219.98. This smart countertop composter is a game changer for indoor composting, offering a sleek, compact design with advanced features. With a 4-liter capacity, it's perfect for families looking to turn daily food waste into nutrient-rich fertilizer. Using high-temperature drying, grinding, and cooling methods, this electric composter reduces waste by up to 90% in just 3 hours. What sets this product apart is its odorless operation, thanks to a carbon filter that effectively eliminates smells. It's also incredibly quiet, operating at less than 40 dBA, making it ideal for nighttime use. The Easy Touch interface offers multiple modes: crush, ferment, and auto-clean for seamless operation. Maintenance is simple, with a detachable, dishwasher-safe bucket. The compact design fits neatly on your countertop, and its modern aesthetic blends effortlessly into any kitchen. This electric composter is perfect for eco-conscious households looking to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing convenience. While it's the most expensive option on our list, its innovative design and efficient performance justify the price. The only downside is the limited capacity compared to outdoor models, but for indoor use, it's hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.